Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to get an image URL on mobile. So please stick around to the end to get all the steps to do this. We're going to go over to our Chrome, and here in our Chrome I've already made a search for a bird. So say we want this picture of this bird, we're going to tap on it, and right here on this picture you're going to tap and hold, and here you have some options. You're going to select Open Image in New tab. This is going to open it in a new tab. So at the top right area, you're going to see the plus icon. By the right, you're going to see the tabs option. So when you tap on it, you're going to see a new tab just by the right of your main tab. So we're going to tap on it, and here we can see the image. In order to get the link, all we need to do is to go over to the top where we have the address bar. And when we tap on it, you're going to see the option to share, to copy, or to edit it. So we're going to click on copy, and you can see it's been copied, and right here we can see it in our clipboard. And now that it's in our clipboard, just to show you that it's working, we can open a new tab, and then we could paste the URL here, search for it, and it brings us to the picture. If you tap on the tabs option again, you can now see you have the initial tab which you opened from the main tab, and then the new one which we just searched using the URL which we copied from the previous one. So now we have the URL in our clipboard. Once again, you can tap on it, and if you'd like to share it, you can simply click on the share option here or the copy, and then paste it where you'd like. So this is how to get an image URL on mobile.